Today I'm going to show you how to add a cinematic lens flare effect using DaVinci Resolve free version. No plugins, no paid tools, just simple steps to get a professional looking result. Before we start, you'll need a lens flare clip. Just search for free lens flare videos on the internet. There are tons of free footage resources available. Make sure to choose a good quality clip, preferably with a dark background, so it blends better later. First, drag and drop your downloaded lens flare effect video on top of your footage. Then select it and go to the inspector. Scroll down, and you can see an option called composite mode. Change it into screen. Then change the opacity to match your liking. For getting more perfect result, select Resolve FX under the Effect panel. Search Light Rays. Drag and drop the effect into your footage, not to the flare footage. Turn off your lens flare clip, and select your clip. Under Inspector Settings, go to Effect. You can see Light Ray Settings. Select Source Regions. You can see the effect affecting area. Change the source threshold to your liking. After doing it, select Final Result. If you like to add shimmer effect, select this Add Shimmer option. Before adjust the blend setting, turn on the lens flare clip. Then adjust the blend for newly added light rays effect. And that's it. A simple way to add a cinematic lens flare effect using DaVinci Resolve for free. Try different flare clips and settings to get your own unique look.